I don't know. He took that off the top.
Sorry, my bad.
No, you good. It's a little YouTube fan. Yo. I'm back, y'all, with another update. I know it's been a minute. Hey, look, we got the Explorer out here, man. And I hate to tell y'all, it's down right now, but it's, man. I got the boys out here. They putting in work right now, and they gonna check it out for me, see if we can get this thing back started. So, man, make sure y'all smash that like button, hit that notification bell, share this video and get it out, man. But I just came to check back in, man. But yeah, my baby once again, yeah, it's here. She's still looking good, just been a minute though, So yeah, it's kind of look, it's all right today. I got Killer in there. You hear me? Say what's up, Diamond. You see her? That's Diamond right there, y'all. She in there. Where you head? But yeah, man. That's it. Give me a minute. There go my baby. Found out it might be the starter, but definitely I gotta clean it. I gotta clean him out. You see that big 5.0 in there? Yes, sir. Let's bring it around. Yeah. Big Expedition XLT, baby. What they say right there? Titan V8. Yeah. That's how we doing. My baby. I got my baby in there too. Look at her. You see what's up, Diamond? So what's happening? Yeah, it's my Diamond right there. Yeah. She in there, so you try to get in there. You ain't getting in there. Yeah. We got the boys out here.
A few moments later.
What up, you guys? So I did manage to get the car started. As you can see, it's a little late night and it's dark out here a little bit. You might not get to see it, but come to find out, I had to get the alternator and I had to get a starter put on there. And I had what I had on there was they were old, and but really what it was the computer. My car wouldn't start because the computer inside had to be restarted. So that's like, it was the theft. So it wouldn't turn over. So that was the reason really why my car wouldn't start. But I also needed a new starter and a new alternator, so I got that changed out. But here it go, man. Let's sit right here. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe for me, please. But yeah, man, it's the Expedition, man. Right there. Big Expedition, baby. It's that V8. Yeah. I got my baby back there, Diamond. Look. See how Diamond. Yeah, so, big baby. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all hear it start up. Start that thing up. Yeah. Sound like a sewing machine. Like my boys say on We Hustle Daily. There she go though. Yeah, I'll show y'all. See, I had her turned the other way. Turn Big Red around. You see, got her back moving. Now we can get out of here, Get to moving. Yeah, I really can't see it though, but more tires though, just on the front left. Yep, man. Got her back running. Definitely. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And I know it's been a minute. I ain't post. I had some things, you know, I had to get ready for. I was doing things behind the scenes, so it's not it. I got some more content coming for y'all. Definitely, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And yeah, man, it's Domino B vlogging. Y'all see Big Red got her back up, you know. And yeah, man. Until next time, man. Stay safe. Happy holidays. And yeah, we back.